get gas on top of that. There. Get that. I don't think it's charged yet. I don't think it is. It's still can't charge you. Bitch. This and do that, and then I have to get gas first. So I'm not heading to Napa until after I get gas because I have to. Fucking bitch. Whatever. Why can fucking wait? No. Making me go up to Napa twice a fucking day. Now he fucking pays. Oh, his fucking asshole. Now he fucking pays, really? Yeah, now he fucking pays. Whatever. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, I don't want to know how much he's left. I don't.
Negotiating feature that can lower the cost of your monthly bills on things like internet, and home security. The app is free, but of course you can upgrade to a version of the app that offers more services for less than $16 a month.
I know it's because of the wood down here, but also because of the fucking food.
For the news, the Black Information Network, MBytes.com. Information Network. The Bay Area's BIN 910. I'm Bree Wood.
And I'm Trey Thomas on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
In a recent episode of Jesse Waters' Primetime on Fox News Live, former ESPN anchor Dave Steele, who is black, criticized a reporter's approach toward former President Trump during his visit to the NABJ convention in Chicago, Illinois.
It's not what you're saying, it's the way you say it. And to come out of the gate the way that she did was unprofessional, I thought it was petty, I thought it was uncalled for, and I think that she is much better than that.
Steele, a former NABJ member, is referring to ABC News senior congressional correspondent Rachel Scott. He says politics aside, any interview, especially with a former president, should start with respect.
Congressman Hakeem Jeffries, the first black party leader in the U.S., has revealed his upcoming book, The ABCs of Democracy. In a People exclusive, Jeffries says the book summarizes his historic first speech as House Minority Leader and aims to bring his remarks to life in a new way using uplifting illustrations and the alphabet. The book set to be published this fall by Grand Central Publishing is now available for pre-order. A recent study published in the Lancet Public Health Journal reveals that millennials and Generation X are at an increased risk of developing certain cancers. The Hill reports the study, which analyzed more than 30 of the most common cancers, including breast, pancreatic, and gastric cancers, have become more progressive. Researchers suggest a multifaceted approach inclusive of better healthcare access, prevention strategies, and healthy lifestyle choices to address the rising cancer rates.
And Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated is expressing their pride as Vice President Kamala Harris, their soror, runs for President of the United States. Speaking with the Chicago Sun-Times, individual members of the AKA headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, have begun mobilizing and speaking in support of the VP in this unprecedented race. Harris's candidacy has inspired many, reflecting the values of the sorority. The AKAs remain nonpartisan but are committed to major voter registration drives before the upcoming election. I'm Bree Wood, along with Trey Thomas on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Your Healthy Minute is up next. With the increasing use of anti-obesity and diabetes medication, concerns over unequal access have surfaced. Despite white individuals having a lower diabetes prevalence, they are 4 times more likely than black individuals to receive prescriptions, according to a 2023 CNN report. Research indicates that compared to white individuals, significantly larger proportions of black and Hispanic individuals face barriers such as lack of insurance coverage, absence of regular healthcare providers, low family income, and lower levels of education. To address this disparity, healthcare providers advise individuals with obesity to research available medications and discuss with their doctors why they may not be prescribed. Additionally, evidence suggests that black patients often experience improved overall outcomes when receiving care from black doctors, highlighting the importance of diverse representation in healthcare settings. That's your Healthy Minute. We're taking on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Because trust matters.
The Black Information Network. The Bay Area, PIN 910.
In the U.S., black adults experience the effects of heart disease more than any other racial or ethnic group. Merck is researching an investigational medicine to see whether it may help lower the risk of serious heart problems, like heart attack or stroke. The research study is enrolling adults age 18 years or older. Talk to your doctor today and find out if you may be able to join this clinical study. For more details, visit coralreefstudies.com/outcomes. That's CORALREEFSTUDIES.com/OUTCOM.